How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy crypto on Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, all you have to do is simply open the Trust Wallet app and just make sure to authenticate with your account. Once you've done that, just tap on the buy option. Select the crypto that you want to buy depending upon which one it is. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can select Bitcoin. If you want to buy Ethereum, you can select Ethereum. So enter the dollars worth of crypto that you want to buy. So if I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin over here, you can simply enter that and tap on the buy with credit card option, and then you will be able to go ahead and then basically buy crypto and Trust Wallet. So once you've done that, you can enter them and buy crypto. This way you can buy crypto and Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.